lonely loser puts himself on YouTube.
You?
No, no.
Actually, that was me.
Yeah, I know.
That's right.
Hello. Not saying anything, Reece? I'm not.
He is.
But.
He is. Agree with Josh.
No, don't agree.
Don't listen to him. He's a pedo.
No, listen to me. I'm not a pedo. No, he isn't a pedo. I can tell you, he is not a pedo.
No.
Can you cut that bit out? Frankly,
I can't edit.
Yay! Can we start over? Because I really don't want that on camera.
Josh, the whole point of vlog is so that it's real.
I don't want.
It's just reality.
I don't want people seeing that Reece tried to rape me. Keep going on there.
The second I stop recording, he uploads straight to it.
What? Oh.
Why do you think I like this phone so much?
Lonely loser. I want to touch it. Ah, no.
And that's Reece Lawyer, the
I
fight.
don't give my permission to be on YouTube anymore, because frankly there's some things that I don't want for everyone.
You've invited me into your house before, so technically you don't need to.
No,
if you've been invited into someone's house, then that gives them permission to photograph you or take pictures of you.
You can sit on my lap. No, no more, okay? That's it. Okay, after this, you're not allowed to film me anymore. You can film my voice, but you cannot film my body.
What if you blow his face?
What? Oh.
What if they blow your face?
I can do that! I can do that! I won't because it's too complicated, but I can do it! Yay!
But after this thing, I'm not on YouTube. I'm not on it.
You know I can do it so that I can edit it though. I would cut that. I'll cut that part out if you want, but that just means this has to go for longer. This has to go for like 7 minutes.
That's
Oh
fine.
boy!
Hang on, how much time do we have left? Left.
Who cares?
We have 4 minutes left, so yeah.
I'm fine.
Okay.
I hope they enjoy looking at you. No, they didn't give you permission.
I didn't film their faces. It doesn't matter. I didn't film their faces.
Yes, but after this I'm out, alright?
Boom!
Oh, bad cost. You can film my voice, but that's it, alright?
How about I just film you?
Who's being backed up? Trevor! Trevor's being backed up.
Trevor!
Oh my God, let's
Trevor!
go.
Whoa, shit!
Trevor's being backed up. Oh my God.
Where?
Oh my God. Where? I can't see.
That blood country. Coming out good.
Okay, Reece.
How do you guys know Trevor?
He's a fuckwit.
Oh yeah, I agree with that. I actually do agree. What the hell are you doing? He's making a video vlog for YouTube.
That uploads automatically.
Do I have your permission to put you on YouTube?
Huh?
Okay then.
And frankly, I think it's
What happened to 4 minutes left of the...
only loser.
What happened to 4 minutes left of the class? Of school? Wait, whatever!
I don't know.
Okay.
Sunny today. That's a very rare thing.
Josh, this one's all about you. My best friend, the Josh. Like you can stop me. Really? No, just YouTube video.
Very sunny.
What? There's nothing to do around here.
Come too.